In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and upload files to hPanel with ease. This is an essential skill for managing your web hosting account and ensuring your website runs smoothly. Whether you're new to Hostinger or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's get started by logging in. Head to your browser and access your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center, providing a comprehensive overview of your web hosting services and tools. Now, let's locate the File Manager, which is where all the file management magic happens. On the hPanel dashboard, you'll see a sidebar, typically on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for File Manager in this sidebar and give it a click. This tool allows you to manipulate all the files associated with your website directly from your browser without needing any additional software. When you click on File Manager, you'll be presented with two choices. The first option is Access Files of your domain, which efficiently takes you straight to the public HTML folder of your chosen domain. This is the root directory for your website where most of your web files should be located. Alternatively, you could select Access All Files of your web hosting. This option provides a broader view encompassing other system files and directories, which can be helpful if you need to access or manage multiple domains or system files. Choose the option that best suits your requirement for the files you intend to upload. If you've chosen to access files of a specific domain, you'll likely find yourself already settled in the public HTML folder. However, if you went for the option to access all files, you might need to do a bit of navigating. Just make sure you find your way to the specific domain's public HTML folder where you want to upload your files. Now that you've found your target directory, whether it's the public HTML or elsewhere, it's time to upload your files. Take a glance at the upper right section of the menu. Here you'll see an icon labeled Upload Files. It might appear as an upward arrow or a cloud icon. Give it a click. At this point, you can choose the files you wish to upload. If you have them organized on your computer as a zip or PHP file, simply select the appropriate file from your device. Then click Upload and watch as your files are transferred to your website. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you're now able to easily upload files using hPanel, enhancing your ability to manage your web hosting like a pro. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of your Hostinger account.